my name is NURUL NADHIRA, binti Muhammad FAZIL, and my matric number is A23B1385.
Hi, my name is NURUL MAISARAH binti AZMAN, and my matric number is A23A1961.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Muhammad Hatim Najmi bin Muhammad NASIR, and my matric number is A23A1595.
Hi, my name is Muhammad bin KAMARUDDIN, and my matric number A23A1634.
Hi, my name is Muhammad ZAFRAN bin Muhammad Fadli, and my matric number is A23A2256.
The dataset originally contained 1,338 observations and included several variables: age, body, mass index or BMI, number of children, insurance charge, gender, smoking status, and region. After applying random sampling in IBM SPSS, we obtained a final sample of 466 respondents. Our analysis consists of two major sections: descriptive statistic and inferential statistic. Descriptive statistic helps summarize and describe the characteristics of the data, while inferential statistic allow us to make conclusion and test hypotheses about the population. Next, for the sampling process, we use a random sampling technique in SPSS. We extracted the last two digits from each group member's matric number. The smallest value was 34 and the largest value was 95. Following the assignment instruction, we selected 466 cases from the list, 595 cases in the dataset. This sample was then saved and used for all subsequent analysis. I will now pass the presentation to ZAFRAN for the descriptive statistic section.
I will present the descriptive statistic findings. First, we examine measure of central tendency, which include the mean, median, and mode. The average age of respondent was 39 years. The mean BMI was 30.46, indicating that many respondents fall within the overweight category. The average number of children was approximately one child, while the average insurance charge was 12,708 ringgit. Next, we analyze percentiles. The median age was 39 years, and the median BMI was 30.21. This value show that the distribution of age and BMI is relatively balanced around their central value for measure of variation. Insurance charge showed the highest variability with a standard deviation of 11,000. This indicated a large difference in insurance costs among respondents. We also examined histogram graph. The histogram graph of age and BMI showed approximately normal distribution for BMI. The average value was 30.46 with a standard deviation of 5.98, showing moderate variation among respondents. Now, I would like to invite Sarah to continue with the graphical representation and hypothesis testing.
Next, we analyze the categorical variable using pie charts. For gender distribution, the sample consisted of 230 males representing 49.36% and 236 females representing 50.64%. This indicates a balanced gender distribution. For smoking status, the majority of respondents were non-smokers. Specifically, 380 respondents or 81.55% did not smoke, while only 86 respondents or 18.45% were smokers. Moving on to inferential statistic, hypothesis testing is a statistical method used to determine whether there is sufficient evidence to support a claim about a population. In this study, we used two inferential statistical techniques, the independent sample t-test and the one-way ANOVA. The significance level was set at 0.05. These sets were used to identify whether significance differences existed between different groups in our dataset.
For the independent sample t-test, our objective was to compare the mean BMI between male and female respondents. The null hypothesis or H0 stated there is no significant difference in BMI between male and female. The alternative hypothesis H1 stated there is significant difference exists. Before conducting the test, we will check the normality assumption using histogram. Seeing the distribution with approximately bell-shaped, the assumption was justified. The test produced a p-value of 0.875. Since this value is greater than the significance level of 0.05, we'll fail to reject the null hypothesis. This means there is not statistically significant difference in BMI between male and female respondents. The average BMI for males was 30.54, while the average BMI for female was 30.38. There is a small numerical difference. It's not statistically significant.
For the one-way ANOVA analysis, our objective was to compare the mean BMI across the region Northeast, Northwest, Southeast, and Southwest. The newly hypothesis that there is no significant difference in BMI among the regions. The ANOVA test produced an false statistic of 11.116 and p-value less than 0.0001. Since the p-value is smaller than 0.05, we reject the newly hypothesis. Therefore, there is significant different BMI among the region. To determine which region different for the others, we conduct a 2-clip post-host test. The results show that the Southeast region recorded the highest BMI 32.87 and was significantly different from the other regions. To summarize our key finding, the average respondent was 39 years old. The average BMI was 33.46. For respondent has one child, insurance charge show the predictability there no significant BMI difference between male and female. However, BMI difference significantly across regions, with the Southeast region having the highest average BMI. Conclusion: this study demonstrates how descriptive in internal statistics method can be used to summarize data, identify patterns, and support evidence-based decision making. Thank you for your attention. We are now ready to answer any question.